In today's video, I am going to teach you how to grant repository permissions in Bitbucket. Start by signing in to your Bitbucket account. Once you are signed in, open the workspace that contains the repository you want to manage. This will take you to the area where all repositories for that workspace are listed. Next, select the repository you want to update. After the repository opens, go to Repository Settings. This section contains the controls for access, permissions, and other repository options. Inside the Settings area, look for the section called User and Group Access, or Access Management. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your Bitbucket layout, but this is where you manage who can access the repository and what level of permission they have. When you are in the Access section, choose the option to add or invite a user. In some accounts, this may appear as Add Users. In others, it may say Invite Users. If the person already exists in your workspace or Atlassian environment, you can add them directly. If not, you can send an invitation from here. Then enter the person's Atlassian account name or the address associated with their account. Make sure you select the correct user so the permission is assigned to the right person. After that, choose the appropriate permission level. Bitbucket provides different access levels depending on how much control you want to give. Select the one that matches the user's role and responsibilities for this repository. It is important to review this carefully before saving, because the permission level determines what actions the user will be allowed to perform. Once you have selected the access level, review the permission settings one more time. Confirm that the correct user has been chosen and that the permission level is accurate. Now save the changes by clicking Add, Invite, or Grant Access, depending on the option shown in your account. Bitbucket will then apply the new repository permission. After saving, verify that the user appears in the repository access list. Check that their name is listed with the correct permission level. This helps confirm that the update was completed successfully. If you need to grant access to more people, repeat the same process for each additional user. This allows you to manage repository access consistently and keep permissions organized. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.